installation video of the CURT 15460 Class 5 trailer hitch on the 2012 GMC 2500 with a short bed. For a better view of the installation, we'll be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 45 minutes to an hour and a half depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. To begin, remove the spare tire. To make more room for the installation, we lowered the exhaust. To do this, remove the rubber isolator from the hanger rod. We recommend using a spray lubricant or a soapy water mixture with a pry bar to ease the removal process. Remove the lower bumper bracket bolt from the side of each frame rail. Remove the existing 14mm fasteners from each frame rail, if present. Next, remove the plastic spare tire heat shield. To do this, remove the two fasteners holding the shield to the bottom of the vehicle's frame on the passenger side. Raise the hitch into position and secure to the rearmost weld nut in the frame rail with the supplied hex bolts and conical tooth washers. Using the hitch as a template, mark the forwardmost holes for the supplied carriage bolts with a paint pen. Lower the hitch and drill out the marked attachment points with a 1/2-inch drill bit. Lift the hitch once more and install the supplied square hole spacers and carriage bolts. Secure the hitch to the carriage bolts with the hex flange nuts. Reinstall the plastic heat shield with the side plate of the hitch sandwiched between the vehicle's frame and the plastic shield. Attach the 15460 ST straps to the outside plates with the supplied carriage bolts and hex flange nuts. Secure the straps to the outside of the frame rails with the previously removed 14mm bolts. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Reinstall your exhaust and the spare tire. This completes the installation of the CURT 15460 Class 5 trailer hitch on the 2012 GMC 2500 with a short bed. Check out all the CURT products for your ride, and thank you for watching this video. Now you can bring it.